Hello dear viewers, I am Rakesh, your host, here with the webinar topic EURUSD and GBPJPY technical analysis today. I am EURGBP community member and I'm a EURGBP community member and I am not an employee of EURGBP. Actually today I have tried to switch the latency between what I say and what you hear, because earlier it was taking more than 1 minute. At least 30 seconds it was taking for my voice to reach you. So now it is going to reach you only within 5 seconds. So it will be more like a real-time interaction now. Okay, so I'll go ahead with the introduction. All the views or the opinions or the trading ideas that are discussed in this webinar are of my own, and they have nothing to do with the EURGBP Bank. As the name suggests, we will be carrying out the technical analysis of the euro and Great Britain pound against the US dollar. And of course, if the time permits, we will be carrying out the technical analysis of other pairs also. And in this session, we will be strictly talking about the technical aspects of trading, and we'll ignore the fundamentals. And as a technical analyst, we know that every information, whether it is political or fundamental, is already priced into the chart. So we'll try to follow the charts only. And in this program, we'll be only using the candlesticks chart. We'll try to find out the key levels, and then we'll try to trade from them. Now, if you're new to the technical analysis, I request you to go to the channel page and then select the playlist and search for the profitable candlestick patterns and profitable chart patterns playlist. It will help you in understanding what we are talking about in this program. At the end of the session, I'll be taking the questions from the viewers, so I request you to keep your questions to be asked till the end of the session. But if they are relevant to the current topic, you can ask them in the chat right away and I will try to answer them. Last but not least, everything that I say in this webinar is for information or enhancing your knowledge only. You have to do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on the line. With this standard introduction, I must now flash the risk disclaimer that is involved, the risk that is involved in the financial or the trading on the foreign exchange market on the margin. And also you should note that you should not be trading on the ideas that I'm telling on this video or in this webinar. You can take a cue from this, but you cannot hold me responsible for your profits or for your losses. Your profits are yours, your losses are yours. All right. So before I start the daily session, I want to welcome my daily viewer, that is MGA. I hope you hear me soon now, because previously it was taking 30 seconds. Now it is less, so we can talk to each other in a real-time situation, right? So before we start, okay, let's go ahead, let's begin this one. Okay friends, on your screen right now is the daily chart of the EURUSD, right? After making a lower low than 1704, the price is actually now giving us a pullback on the daily chart. So I'm kind of able to make a channel on this one, not this but the other channel. I will show you now. There is sort of channel being made if you join these lows, okay, in this size. So this channel, I think that this channel, of course it was broken here and then came back eventually. Otherwise, okay, we'll remove this channel. And if we just ignore these lines also, then what are the horizontal levels that you think on the daily chart are important? Okay, this level here has been of very small importance in the past. Here it was an important level, so I will just keep it to these lows. Yes, this will cover these two and these two also, and also this one here, because it was high here. Okay, so this is an important level, and this rising trend line, all right, this rising trend line from this low and this low, which was broken very badly and got rejected here, we also want to keep this on our chart. So these two levels, this level and 1.1704 level, which was the previous low that the price had made on 29th or 30th of March. These are the important levels that we have to see now, and we should be looking for an opportunity to sell the euro against the US dollar, looking at the current price action, as the price is now making lower highs and lower lows. So since the price has already made a lower low here, so we are expecting the price to make a lower high now. Now that lower high can be anywhere between 1.2266 to 1. Lower high, yes, it can be anywhere from the price where is it right now and to 1.2266 levels. So from here till here there is huge range anywhere that can happen, but looking at this channel there is a possibility that it will be close to this area, this falling line. But for the price to reach here, it has to break these resistances, which the price is supposed to is which I think that will be acting as a resistance, huge resistance for the price to break to go up. So right now the price is taking a support at 1.1742. I will switch to 4-hourly for more information. It was getting rejected here first, then after breakout now it is trying to take support at this level. This is showing that the sellers are dried down and the buyers are trying to take control of this pair. Okay, and they're trying to push the price all the way back to this rising trend line again. So should you be looking for a buying opportunity now? No, because the current trend is down on the daily and we should only be looking for a selling opportunity. Now also, if you draw the moving average 10 and then clone it with the 20, right, I will decrease the width. So you see that the price has already entered in the range of 10 to 20 periods moving average. Now if you see that the price coming back again below 10 periods moving average, that can be our indication to go short. Now this is one of the methods to gauge when the pullback is over. When the price goes away from these 10 and 20 periods moving average for a long time, it tends to come back to this area again, as these lines act as magnets for the price. Okay, and then get rejected and get moving in the direction of the trend. So this is what I am expecting here. For the price to go back down, it has to come back to 10 and 20 periods moving average, which has already happened. So now we should be looking for a selling opportunity, but for that the price has to close below the 10 periods moving average again. And since the price is now above 10 periods moving average, so we will just keep quiet and look for a selling opportunity when it arises at some specific resistance. This can also go all the way up to 1.8100. I hope you got it. Now talking about the GBP and USD, it is also trying to find some resistance at the higher prices. 1.3774 is the immediate resistance that we have come. Actually, I should make it a habit. No, I think this is a resistance on some smaller time frames. Okay, 1.3800 is the actually resistance which we have marked on the chart, and yes, this is a support, this is falling channel support line. Now if the price keeps moving in the same direction, then the first resistance that the price is going to face is at around 1.3795 to 1.3800, and if that is taken out, then this falling channel's resistance line may act as a good resistance for the price to push it down, which we are actually looking for. We are looking for a selling opportunity. In the same manner like we did just now, if you place the exponential moving averages here, and then you put 10 periods moving average and change it to blue and change it to 2. Okay, so you will notice that the price is still trading below 10 periods moving average, but we want the price to go and enter this range and then again close the day below the 10 periods moving average, which will be our indication that now the pullback is over. But right now the price is pulling back to the mean position, which is 10 to 20 periods moving average. Okay, talking about the New Zealand. Okay, wait, on the downside we have support at 1.3670 and 1.3572. On the upside we have immediate resistance at 1.3800 levels. Same way, talking about the New Zealand dollar, the price is able to make lower highs and lower lows, and the price is expected to make a lower high now. Now since after making this low here, the price made a high here and then it has made a low here, so anywhere from 0.7104 to the price range, now the price has to make a high which is lower than this one. If the price is able to make a high which is higher than this one, then the structure of the market will change. It will change from downtrend to uptrend, so that we have to keep in mind. So anywhere below 0.7104 we should be looking for a selling opportunity, and anywhere above this one we should be looking for a buying opportunity. So since the price is below, so we should not be looking for a buying opportunity now, but instead we should be looking for a selling opportunity. So where can that be? That can be at the very next resistance level here at 0.7000, which is a psychological handle also, and this can happen at 0.7043 also, or otherwise the best thing is that we can draw the retracements from the recent highs here to this level and then see. So I think this 50% is what the price has retraced today, so that is why it is facing some resistance here. And if the price is able to close the day above this, then 0.700 and 0.6991 range may be a good resistance for the price. And also you see, if we join these 2 3 4 highs in single line, then this becomes a confluence of resistance for today or tomorrow for the price. So this will be a very good opportunity for us to go short in the New Zealand dollar to the downside. Talking about the Australian dollar, I am very bearish at this market, but since this is a pullback, so it is pullback across all pairs. Australian dollar is also trying to pull back a bit, and the previous high that price has made in this one is sitting at around 0.7426. So yeah, anywhere below this high the price has to make a high. If the price is able to close the day above this high, then I think we should not be looking for a selling opportunity, we should be looking for a buying opportunity then. But I think this 0.7289 and this congestion here, I will just extend it. This can be a good resistance for the price in the coming time. And for support, 0.7225 is the immediate support, and after that 0.7000 is going to be the next support for the price. Talking about the USD JPY is going nowhere. It is only giving us doji from the last 4 days, so just stay away from this market. USDCAD is going towards the support of the channel. This support of the channel, if you find some bullishness here in the 4-hour even, then I think you can go long in this pair, because this sell-off area here, fresh sellers may have jumped in, but I am still bullish on this market, and I am expecting that the price will get some support here in this area. Although this is a V type of recovery to the downside, but I'm still expecting some bullish action here at the channel support region. Okay, but yeah, right now the price is trading at the support of 1.2591 region. The immediate resistance is sitting at 1.2628, and if that is broken to the upside, then 1.2914 and 1.3015 will be exposed in this market once again. USDCHF is a doji. Yesterday there was almost a marubozu. The price closed on the day's low, but today there is no follow up and the price is going nowhere. It is an indication that nobody is stronger, neither US dollar nor CHF relatively. So we will wait for the price to go to one of the extremes and then we'll see what we have to do. Nothing for now. As of now, 0.9135 is the immediate resistance, 0.9051 is the immediate support for the price. Talking about the euro against the Great Britain pound, after this rise from the low of around 0.8450 here and this high here, now the price looks like pulling back a bit. I think this triangle which we have made here will be acting as a good support for the price if the price tries to come back to this region. The reason for this is that because it was a very good support for the price in the past. So because the price has again come into inside this one, so expect this a level to hold as a good support again. Talking about the gold, bullish and all bullish yesterday, but today there is a problem for the buyers. The sellers are pushing the price down, buyers want to keep it up. Right now it is a doji. 5 hour and 43 minutes are still there for the price to kill, but yes, I am bullish on this one and expecting 1828 in this market to be reached. If you look for a buying opportunity, maybe 1795 will be a good region to open your buy positions, but you have to keep in mind that there should be some bullish price action indication or confirmation there before you open your positions, because we are right now at the resistance of this falling channel. Talking about the CHFJPY, the price is approaching the zone of resistance, which is 120.54. This is the confluence of resistance. If one can get a selling opportunity here near this one, this will be very good opportunity with a small stop loss above and take profit level of 119.96 and second target of 119 in this market. Euro New Zealand, my friend MGA was short in this one. If he is still short, I'm sure that he will be very happy. MG, are you still short in this one? You are now it is a live discussion, right? Are you still short in this one, my friend? You said that you are short now again. So are you still short? If you are, then you must be like swimming in money. Right? So the immediate support for the price next is 0.6774 region. These lows of this candle here at around 1.6859 can also provide some support to the price, but ultimately 1.6774, 1.6693 and 1.6637, and if these are broken, then we have the major support at 1.6321, which is very far. If somebody has taken this trade, he might be very happy. On the upside, we have very minimal resistance at around 1.7122. Why I'm saying minimal? Because it has been tested only 2 times. All right. Talking about the silver, silver is bullish today. If it is able to break and close the day above 23.94, then 24.81 will be exposed on the upside, and that will also be our area of sell if we are able to manage a bearish pin bar or maybe bearish engulfing candle at this resistance. So this will be our indication to go short in this market. Talking about the Bitcoin, what happened? What has just happened? I think I closed Bitcoin. I accidentally closed Bitcoin. Okay, we will see Bitcoin later on, but we will see Ethereum. Ethereum has been sold off from 3313 region and now is headed down, my friends. Do you see that after breaking from this channel, every time the price is trying to go up, it is going down. So now this low of around 3131, if that is taken out, then the price will be looking to 3116 and ultimately 2898 region to find some support. But looking at this current price action, it seems that more losses are there on the way. Okay, to the upside, 3313 is the immediate resistance now. Litecoin is also on the similar trends, but it is still trading within the channel that we were talking about. So till the time this channel is holding, I'm bullish on the Litecoin, but after the this channel is broken, we should be looking for 172 and 145 as the fresh targets for this market. Let us take a quick look at the Brent also. Brent is approaching this resistance of 71.26 after a break below this rising channel. We were expecting actually the price to keep going down, but because of some reason it has started going up. Now 71.26 level is the major resistance that we are looking at. Maybe this can also be a selling opportunity for many people, those who fail to sell open short positions here. This can be the second chance for them already. So I expect 71.26 to hold as a fresh resistance, and many sellers will be looking at this place to open their short positions. Right, I'm just leaving. Maybe even the price can maybe even go to 71.87 region. Yes, this was the previous high. This is where I am expecting the price to go down. Swiss index, nothing to talk about. Okay, Euro CHF, a bullish pin bar at the support region. This can be a good thing, but if you see that there is a bearish pin bar right at the resistance of 1.0741, so what should we do? Should we open a buy position or should we open a sell position? My friend, this is a selling market. Okay, this is a downtrending market, and in the downtrending market the price has tested the support of the falling channel. We should be looking for a selling opportunity at the resistance of the falling channel. So right now no buying positions, even if it shows a bullish pin bar. That's it. The immediate resistance is at 1.0741. After that it is 1.0813, and after that it is 1.0830. GBPJPY, another selling opportunity may be offered at 151.16 with a target of 148.52, but if the price is able to cross above 151.16, then the next horizontal resistance will be around this 153.19 region and this falling trend line, which we have actually created ourselves. But if we join the recent highs, all right, we join the recent highs, this can also be a selling opportunity when the price reaches here, which I think it will not be reaching, because 151.16 is going to be a very important resistance level here. Talking about the Great Britain pound against the Swiss franc. Okay, same like Euro CHF here. The price is giving us a bullish pin bar at the support, but the resistance is right on top of it. So till the time it does not clear 1.2550 region, we cannot be sure about 1.2632 to be tested. On the contrary, if the price is able to manage a close below this level of 1.2503, then we can be looking for this rising trend line to be the next target for the price. Okay, with this GBPCHF is also off. Now we have to open the Bitcoin. All right, in Bitcoin, it seems like there is a formation of a bearish engulfing at the resistance, but this has not covered the entire range of the previous candle, although, and the price is still trading in the channel that we have just created. Okay, so till the time the price is trading it in within this channel here, I think it is safe to go up. But if the price is able to manage a close below this rising channel support line, then Bitcoin may be in trouble for the rest of the time in this year. All right. And if it breaks below, then 47057 is the immediate support. After that, 41264 region is also a good support for the price, as it was a good resistance in the past 2 times here and here. So expect this zone as a fresh support for the price, where more and more buyers may be coming in. With this, I have covered for the day. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the chat. I see that today there are only two guys here. One is me and one is MGA, so there will not be much questions. MGA, you did not answer me, friend. Are you still short in the Euro New Zealand, or you are out? All right, he doesn't want to answer. So I hope you get some idea about the support and resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just keep in mind to never risk more than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. Now with this note, I shall end this webinar. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. Leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. Also, you can join the DUCASCOPY Forex community and like them on the Facebook, and the links are there in the description. I wish you a very happy and a profitable day. Thank you very much for watching. I did answer you. No, MGA, you did not answer today. You answered yesterday that you shorted again, but are you still holding that position that you shorted on yesterday? There is no answer here in the chat. I did answer you. I did answer you. These are the only answers. It disappeared. Really? I don't know. Maybe somebody just made it disappear. It's okay. You want to answer again? I don't know why it disappeared. I'm sorry about that. You cannot share links. That is a problem. Otherwise, it should be okay. It's all right. You can write it now. I'm having a close eye on that. You can just write yes or no. Okay. You are holding that position. All right, guys, then it is time to say goodbye. Take care and see you tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Bye bye. Take care.